Alright, well, the video ended for some reason. My bad. But basically, I sent a home from Rush Research Manufacturing for the 76. And I sent a whole bunch of super clean. Whole bunch of super clean. And that sucks because now the video is not going to make sense. Life of a YouTuber. One thing after another. Trying to make good quality video on your camera, so. But let's see if we got a drill. We could test that out while we're in here. I don't know if you guys catched it, but like I was saying, if you did, I'm waiting on a package from FedEx from another company that's sponsoring me. It's more thing for the work table where the Odyssey's on, so I can get stuff up there a lot easier. And I'll be making a video on that pretty soon. Maybe I'll get FedEx a package for you. So they can get it to where it needs to be. Because they want like $10 to request a pickup, but if you catch them when they're here delivering, it's not. See, getting all types of stuff off, but yeah, gets the job done. I'm going to use super cleaners, W40 or something. So, help lubricate it some, but might put used to leaves in it, don't know yet. Or, can't think of the other word. sleeves are, you really can't see it because they're right over the top, but there's a outer ring along all the pistons. That's a huge tube that slides down in there. That's a replaceable part. Might just go ahead and do that. And then I want to have the crank 100% before I put it in there. Want to look at it. See if it's in tolerance. If it has any marks or bends or burns to it. Same thing for connecting rods. There's little bushings, or like not bearings, but little gold copper looking thingies inside the piston connecting rods. And then the bearings on the connecting rods, and get all that done. But I'd like to have a machine shop do all the work, to be honest. But machine shop ain't exactly cheap. Best way I can put it. And there's only one machine shop that I might take it to. But all the other ones have bad reviews. Saying they are given the wrong parts, saying the machine work was done wrong, saying their engines were destroyed and stuff. I don't need that. I'm doing this job right. It's not rocket science. No, I mean, measuring and stuff, that's going to get a little complicated on the crank and stuff. And if the crank needs ground, I don't have a crank grinder or a flywheel grinder. But on the flywheel, you can do a little country style die grinder. But on the crank, I've seen people use sandpaper, but I don't know. Might just be better if to take those two, get inspected. And that's all. Because, I mean, the block right here is pretty much, and then the cylinder head get re-ground and the surface of the block, maybe everything get checked out and stuff, but that's gonna be cheap. I'm way over budget, to be honest with you, on this build. Even with sponsors. Sponsors help out a lot, but I'm almost have as much money in this tractor as sponsors do, so. Yep, sorry about the video cut real short. I don't know if I'm gonna upload the 1 minute part, because it was 1 minute, then it ended it. So, I don't know, but I'm gonna go wait for FedEx. Hopefully they didn't come yet. And I might go do some ATV driving. It's a nice sunny day. It's getting warm, so I want to appreciate everyone for stopping by. I'm almost at 7,000 subscribers, I believe, and or 8,000. No, I think it's 7,000. I'm almost at, and just want to tell you that. So, catch you on the next one.